ready with all the glassworks in the hull. So the orange boat is watertight and fully repaired. Now we are dropping in the batteries. This is the first of the two boxes. It will be fixed to the hull, and then we will connect all the cables, wire it up, put in the screen, put in the controls, and once all those are mounted, then we can test the system with the outboard. And after that we put the boat in the water and it will fly instead of sinking for sure. So watch along as we go and progress with the restoration.